Hey friends, here's how to draw yellow Mars from Garten of BanBan. We'll start out with the body. At the top we're going to draw two little lines, and then come over to this side and draw two more lines. And then we're going to draw a big circle. Draw a smaller circle inside. Now add the pupils. Draw a horizontal line across the body for the mouth. And then we're going to draw a curve that goes down on both sides of the top lip. Now connect these lines. Come over here to draw the tongue. Erase this line. Come up to the middle and we're going to draw a big front tooth on both sides. Then draw smaller teeth on the far side. Come down here, we're going to draw a tooth under the tongue and a tooth under the tongue back here, and one more tooth. And come over here, we're going to draw the arm, add a little finger and draw the pinky behind it, and one more finger, and draw a thumb. Come to the bottom, we're going to draw the little feet. Draw two little lines here. Now draw a curvy shape for the toe and the front toe. Now we gotta add all the pebbles on them. Come up here, we'll draw a little oval. Then draw one up here. And come to this side, we'll draw an oval. And one on the side. Now we'll draw oval here. And one here. Come to this side. And draw two ovals right here. And then we'll give them a belt that's made out of rocks. So draw kind of underneath his tongue, we'll draw a big oval right here. And then just fill in the rest across his body. They can kind of go in different directions and have different sizes. On these little gaps here, we can add little ovals. And we'll draw two little ovals down here. And that's how you draw yellow Mars from Garten of BanBan. Thanks a lot for watching, liking, and subscribing. Be sure to check out the other Garten of BanBan drawing tutorials on the channel.